Uh, okay, I was gonna go for a more dramatic entrance, but I'm about to go and attend a launch event at Bharat Petroleum fuel stations. Actually, a fuel station owned by one of my dear friends, Dinesh Bhai. So this event is actually the launch of an app called Ufill. Now Ufill is all about saving customers money. Sorry. Oh, actually, yeah, money and time. Okay, I wouldn't say money, just time. But time is money. Alright, now I digress. But yeah, so basically, the entire point of this app is to save time, and it is more oriented towards bikers, but I think even car folks as well can use this, but more on that later.
What's up, what's up, what's up? Yeah.
One more.
Dhanush Achar. Dhanush. Dhanush.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what I asked.
What's up, what's up? Moses. That's bro. What's up? All tuned. Huh? What's up? This is all the Coastal Superbikers team right here.
This is actually one of the finest cars in Mangalore. This is owned by Mr. Miraj Yusuf. I think this is one of his finest cars in his own fleet. Okay, this is quite the turnout. I wasn't expecting this much. Look at this. The Z900, ZX6R, Ninja 1000, Ninja 1000, 300, ZX10R, S1000R, Ducati V4, Panigale, and the R1250 BMW. This is actually just few of the big lot that we have in Coastal Superbikers. So yeah.
Coming all the way and blessing this occasion. I'm Sachin Kulkarni, I'm from Bharat Petroleum, and Dinesh is our channel partner, and you all are good friend of him. Privilege and pride to having you all here for this occasion. Today what we are trying to do is we are launching a new seamless digital payment facility for our customers called UFeel. So the UFeel is something where we are trying to give a control of all the quality, quantity and convenience and trust to the customer. So up till now, how it used to happen conventionally, when customer comes in, he takes the fuel and he makes a payment, and always there is the apprehension in the mind whether I am getting the right quantity of fuel, whether the machine has started right from zero and is getting to my bike or my car is getting fueled with the money which I am going to pay in the future, after the transaction, of course. All these worries, anxieties are now we are trying to address using the technology. Because human interference, always there is a chances of some kind of slippage or some kind of mistakes which human errors happen over the period of time. So what we are trying to do with the UFeel, that we are asking the customer firstly to make a payment and create a voucher, just like you are going to the movie. So you make a payment, take a voucher, and that QR code is available in your mobile, so that becomes your license or pass to enter the movie. Similarly, you are getting the fuel. It's similarly like you can make a payment to our virtual ID, UPI ID, and we have kept it very simple, one UPI ID. So you can use Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, whatever modes you have. You just make a payment, and let's say somebody has made a payment of 5,000, you will get a voucher of 5,000 right on his mobile within 10 seconds immediately through a link in SMS. This voucher has a validity of 48 hours. So in 48 hours you can go any BPCL petrol pump. We have 20,000 outlets all over India. So technologically we have found in such a way that this voucher is acceptable anywhere, all 20,000 outlets all over country. And this can be partly or fully redeemed for your fueling immediately. So once you are in an outlet, just show your mobile and that's it. So the machine will automatically take the data from the voucher, it loads into the machine, and the machine will start with the zero amount. It has to necessarily start with the zero, and it has to necessarily end the fueling with the voucher amount, whatever the amount you have already paid. So in a way, you have got a control, like the machines will always deliver whatever you are intended to, or whatever you have paid for it. That is one thing. Secondly, we have observed this. Dinesh must have circulated that video to you, small video of bikers. So we actually measured. So the biker carrying the UPI code is taking the 36-second for a one transaction. Vis-a-vis, there's a 1 minute 20-second transactions for the person who is making the, paying through other mediums like cash and all, or exchanging. And then there is a contact also. Because of COVID, we wanted to have a touchless transaction fee to give that fee to the customer. So in that way, this is our effort to bring that kind of transparency, convenience, and personalization also to each and everyone. So once you make a payment every time, you can always keep on generating the vouchers, and you can give the vouchers to someone else also. You can give it to your friends and families. Voucher has a validity of 48 hours. If not ready, the vouchers will go back to your original payment mode. The same amount you kept it. So there is no worry of anything losing out here. So in and all, it's a kind of revolutionary change what we are trying to bring in making the fueling transaction also a little takes up. That's what we are trying to do here. Thank you very much for all the way you came and graced this occasion. I'm sure you will love to use this facility going ahead also. Thank you very much.
ಪಲ್ಲೆ
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪೇಗೆ ಹೋದು BPC ಎಲ್ಲ ಯು ಪಿ ಐಗೆ ಹೋದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಂದ ಇವಾಗ
Okay.
ಈಗ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ನಮಗೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ನಮ್ಮಿಟ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ನದು ಎಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಐಟ್ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು BPC ಎಲ್ಲ
ಓಕೆ
ಇಂಚ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬದ್ದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಚ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಂತನ
ಅವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರ್ಪುಣ ತೇರೆಗೆ
ಅವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬತ್ತಿ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಐಟೆ ತೋಜುಂಡು
ಹಾಂ
BPC ಅಲ್ದಾನೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಬತ್ ಬೈ ಇಂಚ
ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಪಂಡ QR ಕೋಡ್
QR ಕೋಡ್ ಹಾಕನ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು
Okay.
ಇಂಚ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು
ಓಕೆ
ಇಂಚ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಅವೇನ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಯು ಫಿಲ್ ಒಂದು ಒಂದುಂಡತೆ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಉಂಡತೆ ಐಟೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮನ್ಪುವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮನ್ಪನಗ ಅವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮನ್ಪೋತೆ
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
ಇಂದೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಂತಿಗ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಂಡು
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಯ್ಬಕ್ಕ ಅವು ಪಂಪದ ಬೇಕೇಂಡು
ಒಂದು ಎಂಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ದಾದೆ ಒಂದು
ಹೌದು ಅವು ಎಂಕ
ಓಕೆ ನಿಕಲ್ ಅಚ್ಚಾ ಅಚ್ಚಾ
ಎಂಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಾಡು ಬಕ್ಕ ಫ್ಯೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಪ್
ಓಕೆ
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪನ ಎಂಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದಿಜ್ಜಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಕನೆಟೆ ಪಾಡಿ ಕುಡ್ಲಿ ಉಂಡತೆ ಮುಲ್ಪ ನಂಬರ್ ಪಾಡಿ
ನಂಬರ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ನಂಬರ್
ಮಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಕೊರಿ ಉಂಡತೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಪ್ ಸರ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಕನ್ಲೆ
ಅಭಿಮಾನಿ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಮ್ಮ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಡ್ ಹೌ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಗೋನ್ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾವು
ಫ್ಯೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಬಕ್ಕದ ಎಂಟರ್ ಪ್ರದಾಲ ಮನ್ಪಡ ಅಂದಿಜ್ಜಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಲಿಂಗ್ 100 ಅವೇ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಪ್.
So basically he hasn't entered anything on the machine right there. So everything is handled by this particular machine. This machine with the they have got. That is handy AF. Thank you. Alright, so that is the system. That was the kind of opening that was given. Kind of like an explanation. I'll give you the exact explanation later on in this video itself. But for now, let me just go and ask around people what they think about the system and would they use it or not. What do you think about the new system?
Good. There will be less pilferage. A lot of manipulation will be reduced, I suppose. So, and transaction time also, and especially for bikers, we got to remove our gloves and gear and this and that, and wallet will be in the bag. So I think that is going to be a major advantage.
So would you be using this system a lot?
Yes, definitely. As a rider, yes, very much. In terms of even my office, because we have an indenting system with them, so I think it is more clean. It is more what do you say? There will be no hanky-panky usage of maybe because you might actually pay the staffs also to put fuel, but they may put but this is a very guaranteed process.
Oh yeah, I didn't actually think of this. This is actually good for corporates and all. Right?
Corporate is very good.
Yeah. Awesome, bro.
Good system.
Alright, no, so I'm going to talk to Vivek now. What do you think about this app, bro?
So, everything is getting digitalized.
Yeah.
So this is one new initiative regarding digitalization.
Right.
So that what you load in your phone, the same thing you pay for the petrol pump.
Correct.
What you pay for, you get what you pay for.
What do you pay for?
Kind of good.
So do you think this is a convenient for bikers, the whole thing about not...
And it is as it is pan-India.
Right.
In there are 20,000 outlets. I think it should be a good initiative for the people, especially who go on touring rides and all, so that they don't have to. Sometimes what happens is you don't have Google Pay, you get stuck.
Yeah.
See, Google Pay, Phone Pay, no network. Whereas if you load it on your app, you just show them and get it done.
Correct. Yeah, that's actually a good point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because a lot of times when you really want to do some transaction through Google Pay, you get stuck. That's the worst thing ever to happen. And you don't have cash also. So when traveling, we always prefer carrying less cash. So this is a good initiative.
This is a good cashless initiative. Yeah. This is Mr. Dinesh Bhai himself, the owner of this particular place. How do you think the consumers are going to respond to this new function?
They will definitely respond because it's made for the consumers only.
Correct. No, what do
For
you
the
think?
end users.
What do you think is actually one of the biggest plus points of this particular feature function?
You will one is cashless transaction,
Okay.
and second is this one. You'll get the exact quantity of fuel.
This fuel is very good. First of all, in time of COVID, no contact at all.
Right.
Because now you see, if you come with a bike or car, if you're paying by cash, you have to give cash. Contact will be there. If you give card also, contact will be there. It's contactless. So if you make voucher from your house or into this app, you can come only better. You can directly
show
scan
the
this,
phone,
and that's the one big advantage is COVID time. First, second advantage is many customers they don't see when we tell us, sir, please see zero. They don't see. Afterwards, they come and fight with us. Sir, your staff has started with 50 rupees. Your staff has started with. In this, no problem at all. Because as soon as the scan, the pump will automatically get start. Because nothing that we don't have. Because other any other customer, if you ask, we have to preset the button. We have to preset. You have to ask, sir, how much? You will tell 100. We have to preset 100 rupees. We have to put quantity, then we have to start fueling. Here, nothing. As soon as the scan, the pump through Bluetooth. It is connected to Bluetooth.
Okay. With that machine.
Machine. That POC machine and the pump, both it is connected to Bluetooth.
Right.
So through Bluetooth, automatically it gets connected. How much you have scanned, the pump, as soon as the pump gets started, it will start from zero only.
Okay.
If you want or not also, it will start from zero. So staff need not tell, sir, C0, C0. And end quantity also, how much you have scanned, that much will come. Now, example, if you are scanned for 1,000, for example, but 800 it got full it became full. So what you think, my 200 rupees, within 48 hours, that difference amount will be credited to your account, refunded.
In case you don't use it.
In case you don't use, request everyone, see what is this,
Use and see.
use and see, because without using, nothing can be done. Because it is a future, this one.
Correct. This is where the future is heading to, digital India.
Digital India.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Alright, so here he is, Mr. Adnan Mizma is one of my old friends. So what do you think about this new system?
Okay, it's very good. I like the system because what issues we were facing is every time you come to fill up or something, you have to remove your gloves. Then, as you said, it's very seamless. 30 seconds is very easy. When it's very hot or something, it takes you start sweating. So that's a very good option, what I find. So maybe from next time we can
Hopefully use it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much. That was lovely. Bro, this is Mr. Vitesh Kotian.
I wish what the
What
is the time right now?
You're not met for so long, I forgot your name, dude.
What's the time right now? By the way, 2 o'clock. I think so. How many picks down? Or your beer? Or your end of beer?
Right, so this is Vitesh Kotian, is one of the Kotian brothers. So what do you think about this new system?
It's user friendly actually, but the problem is we have to rely on the internet actually. Internet connectivity. If internet here comes.
That is true.
Oh, that you will beep it, right?
I'll beep it. I'll put a horn to it.
Exactly.
Another Kotian brother, please. But Nitesh bhai, क्या रहा है आपका?
Sub ठीक, all good.
No, what do you think about this system? कैसा है? Will you be using this particular system?
Definitely, I will be using it. It's a good thing actually. It saves time basically.
Right.
Don't have to remove all the gates.
Correct. That is one of the major points.
It's kind of ready and go. Just fill it.
Done. Shoot.
Just shoot. That's it.
Alright, so here's another a newer member of Coastal Superbiker, Mr. Prasanna Shetty. Right, so I'll have to bend the camera slightly because this guy is tall AF, bruh.
Hi people, what's up?
So what do you think about this new system, man?
I think it's pretty good. Everything is getting digitalized, and we can have the fuel at our convenience. No debit card, no cash. That is the good thing, cashless.
Okay.
So it's a thumbs up.
Alright, so that was pretty much everybody that I know here, I think. Moses! So Moses always runs. Macha, last video antu voda then, you know. So what do you think about this new system, man?
Yeah, it's good, I guess. But 48 hours is like, I feel it's too less for our bikes because we hardly ride once in a while. So imagine you put it today and the next day you can't.
That is true. No, that is actually very true. That is actually a good point because I was also thinking, what if Bharat comes up with a wallet system where you can dump in a bit of
anytime
so you can dump in a bunch of money and then at the riders or the drivers' convenience can use it anytime, because a lot of times what happens is riders, they go on long journey which is going to be more than 48 hours sometimes, right? So it is actually very convenient for them to even, in case they extend the time later on as well. So yeah, and just a thought. Good point, Moses. Alright, so let me just brief you as to what the system does. It's not an app, mind you, it is a system. So you have to go to Google Pay, Paytm or Phone Pay if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So there you'll have to search for UFill. You will have to recharge. This is a prepaid system for fuel. So you have to prepay Bharat Petroleum. You know what, I'll explain this system later on when I'm at my place. Let's take for example 300 or 500 rupees, right? So you pay 500 rupees to Bharat Petroleum. And what they do is they send you a link via an SMS. So once you click on that link, it will take you to a web page where that QR code for that particular amount that you recharged for will be present. And all you have to do is go to the fuel station and show this link, and the attender there will take a specialized machine which kind of looks like card reader. What that person does is he'll scan your QR code, and that particular machine is already connected to that particular fuel pump where you'll be fueling, right? As soon as it scans the QR code, it will send the information to the fuel pump. It automatically sets itself to 0 and sets itself to the amount that you recharged for. That's pretty much it. The fuel attendant will just pick up the nozzle and voila, you got your fuel within seconds. There's an actual video done by Autocar India which kind of demonstrates this everything in ease. I'll put a link in the description below. You can check that out. It's actually very brief. It's a nice video. So all in all, I think it's a pretty good system. Hopefully a lot of people will use this. I will definitely give it a try as well. So yeah, that was it for the video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.